him out of here so I can get some rest.
Okay.
Come on, Heidi.
Come on, Max. Let's go see Chet.
All right, good news. Worthy of ESPN.
Don't mess with the pros, hairball.
Hey, chill, flea bag, or I'll stun gun your butt.
We got him.
Hey. What do you think you're doing?
I wasn't gonna light it.
Go ahead. Kill yourself. At your age and weight, you're a perfect candidate for a heart attack.
I'm trying to quit, aren't I?
Exactly.
Hey,
I'm gonna put you on a real fitness program.
I sure worse than my wife.
In 6 months, you won't recognize yourself.
Yeah, 'cause I'll be dead. What's this crap?
Missing persons. Gets a call from a guy named Bill Sanders. His wife, Judy, doesn't come home last night. Guess where she works? Emacs.
You shit me.
Pull the photo off the computer. Take a look.
Maybe we better have another visit with the good doctor.
Judy Sanders only worked for me for about 3 months. I didn't really know her very well.
Her, husband says she left for work that morning.
Well, she never arrived, that's all I know. What about my dog? Any leads?
Keep your shirt on, Doc. We're on top of it. We already fed the description in the computer. All units have been alerted, including animal control.
I have to show you something. Friday, bring up the promo material.
One moment, please.
Voice activation.
You know, when you think of guard dogs, you usually think of German Shepherd. They're loyal, smart, lethal, but not good enough. And now with the development of the Emacs 3000, they're totally obsolete. You see, Max, as I call him, is not your typical dog. He's a genetic crossbreed.
A mutt.
No, I don't mean a mutt, sir. Look around you. Each of these animals is endowed with a specific desirable trait that is dedicated to their survival. If you took the DNA from each and genetically spliced it into the DNA of a breed of a dog, you would have a magnificent creature.
You've actually been able to do this?
Enhanced sight, hearing, strength, speed, stamina, the ability to climb with jaguar-like agility. Even a chameleon-like capability to camouflage itself if threatened. Each of these traits have been bred into Max. His intelligence is so advanced that he can operate as a standalone unit without a human hand. He can comprehend almost 350 spoken commands.
Is that in English or in Spanish?
You take your pick, detective. What I am trying to tell you is that in the right hands, Max can save thousands of lives. In the wrong hands, he can be a deadly weapon.
Boy, did my brother cut one this morning. Roast me right out of the kitchen. Sounds like it was nuclear winter in there. Kaboom! Look, there's Miss Barkley's stupid cat, Boo. I hate that dumb cat. He always tries to scratch me. Me too. Get him, Max! Sick him! Come on! Go, Max! Kick his ass! Come on! You sicked him on that cat, not me. No, you did. We better get out of here. Miss Carly's gonna kill us. Let's forget about
nights.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, like $200. You got the checkbook?
Yeah,
You got it on you?
maybe.
Hey, listen. Why don't we finish what we started last night, huh?
Because I'm already late for work.
So what? Nobody's watching.
Well, come around, idiot. Come around.
You stupid mutt! Put a lid on that dog, huh? You stupid mutt!
No, Max. You have to, Max, you have to stay. Max, go on. You have to stay. Good boy. I'll be back in a little while. I just have to go to work. It's okay. Have a deadline to meet. Max. Don't do this to me, Max. You stay. Do what dogs do. Guard the house, you know.
Dad,
I don't want to be late.
come on, Eddie. You have to stay at home. Come on.
You don't want to miss the game, do you?
Okay, I'm coming.
You locked the front door, didn't you?
Think I'd forget?
All right. Let's go.
And they called it a bitter. Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart really feels and why I love her so. And they called it just because we're 17. Tell them all it, tell them it's
Kitty, kitty, kitty!
to take
Come
away
here, boy!
Let's get to work. See how this tape turned out.
I need a cappuccino. You want one? Can we just get into this, please? So how was Max last night?
He was a pain in the ass. But he's got such a personality.
How did Perry handle it?
Oh, he loves Max.
Yeah, right. You didn't tell him where you got that dog, did you?
We'll see it on the news.
I think something's gnawed through your brake line somehow.
I had my brake lines changed just this morning.
Yeah, see for yourself, huh?
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God, he's trying to kill me.
Who's trying to kill you?
My girlfriend's dog.
Yeah, right. I like that.
Yo, Frank, over here.
What do we got, Dan?
One of the box boys found a body behind a dumpster. It's pretty bad. It fits the description of the mugger that's been terrorizing the market.
Jesus Christ.
Get a hold of Jared. I want him to look at this. You won't be mugging anybody no more, pal.
The lacerations, the